Hi, I'm Paul DeBoer, and I teach 4th grade at Sibley Elementary within Grand Rapids Public Schools. So in Food for Thought, my students looked at healthy eating habits and how it influences their daily lives. They learned fractions, and we applied writing and reading, content standards, as well as science standards. They were working together, and it built some community among the students. The students took ownership of their own learning through developing their own awesome recipe, thinking about what they like most, what foods that are healthy that they would like to try, and then putting it all together in one healthy recipe.
This team is busy. What are you guys creating right now?
Finished it.
What did you make?
We're making fruit heaven smoothie.
Very nice. Give it a shot. Taste it once. What does it taste like? What do you think?
It tastes good.